everybody. We had a really successful summer. We had some great changes to the apps thanks to the developers.
It's not gonna work. That's probably less gonna work.
Have faith.
We transitioned to the new EBSCO interface. And we moved the furniture around.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Good work, everyone. See you back here at the fall workshop meeting.
All right, you're dismissed. Hey, Luke, can we talk to you for a second?
Sure, why?
We wanted to talk to you before things started up this fall. You've done some great things this summer, but
I felt like you were just here for the elevator.
The elevator? Looks like a Christmas tree. Which floor, miss?
Third. Oh.
Yeah, go ahead and load in. 3.
Before we get started, does anybody want to get out?
Mobilize strike units, 25th floor.
Yeah, I noticed that your runs took a little bit longer sometimes, and when I asked you about it, you told me that Owen trapped you in the elevator.
When the elevator inspector came for maintenance, he said he wouldn't leave him alone.
What are you doing?
I'm checking out the elevator.
What? Was anything wrong with it?
Well, right now it looks like the button to pull the elevator back down to right up is not lighting up, so that seems to be a problem.
That needs to be fixed, doesn't it?
I would think so. Okay, the down button is actually pushed. Oh, you're telling me. Let's see how this is working. If we've got 2 and 3 both working, they're lighting up.
We're moving. Yes!
Yes. Have you ever thought of getting a light?
No, not at all.
You might want to think about that.
we think it might just be better to try something different in this fall.
Wait, before you let me go, I just want you to know Ava was cutting her fingernails at the lower level service desk. Oh. And Jeff leaves early.
Alright guys, see you tomorrow.
And Josh, well, he's Josh.
Look, we're not firing you. We're promoting you to captain of the elevator.
Yeah! Congratulations!
somebody did want to use it. Sorry. No problem. Somebody was actually using it. So when the door closes, well, let's say, okay, when the door closes, you should be able to press the up now. No?
Yeah, it's been dead for as long as.
How's it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Come on in. So funny. Yeah. I'm pushing it. I'm pushing it. You guys, I'm pushing the button and it's not opening. You might have to go to first.
Do you have your keys on you?
Not with me, but they're in the
I got it.
office. I'm pushing the button. Go to first. I'll try you up there.
Never mind. It's not there. Sorry.
Okay.
No, you don't have your keys on you?
I can grab a key.
They're in my office. They're stuck in the elevator right now.
He knew this was gonna happen.
He probably knows how to stop it, like stick it. But Michelle's got it.